So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are gonna see how we're gonna create this type of animation video and this type of animation in Adobe After Effects. Video where we're gonna learn how we're gonna create this type of animation titles with the video. So create this type of templates. You need to go to a website called AE Downloads. So just go to the website. So here you can find lot of After Effects and Premiere Pro templates in here. So guys, after coming to the website, just go to the AE download. Here you can find all of the After Effects templates. So just go to the titles. So here you can get unlimited of the titles you want. You will get cinematic title, you will get modern geometric titles, a lot of titles in here. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna create a opener. So let's go for the openers. So here you can see lot of promo. So here you can find some of the dynamic transition and vintage opener. Lot of templates are in here. So guys, in this video we are gonna see a new template, which is this one. So guys, in this video we are gonna see how you're gonna create this type of Adobe After Effects templates with the video and with the animation. So guys, let's see. To create this type of templates, at first we have to download this template. So just go to download and just download it. So this is the main download link. So just click it and just hit free download. So just as you can see, it's downloading. So I have already downloaded a file, and which is this one. So I'm gonna go to and I'm gonna open the main Adobe After Effects file. So guys, this is the main Adobe After Effects file. So we are gonna open it. So just hit OK. Just OK. So guys, this is the template, and we got unlimited of titles, not unlimited, only 12 titles. So these are we are gonna check one by one. So just I'm gonna click the title one. So as you can see, this is the title. So we are gonna go for the title 2. So let's see. So this is the second title. So guys, you can use this title for your project. Just to use this website, you will get unlimited of Adobe After Effects pre-made template. So guys, after coming to After Effects, so we are going to add some videos. So as you can see, this text looking very good. So I'm going to add a video in the background. So all you have to do, just bring some videos in here. So I'm going to go to file and I'm going to hit import. So as you can see, I have lots of video templates. So I'm going to need some business type. So like this one, and this one. So I'm gonna open it. So as you can see, I have just imported some video. So I'm gonna check one by one that I'm gonna need a, like this one, I'm gonna need this background in the background. So I'm gonna just drag that and make sure it at the background. So guys, as you can see, it already added to the composition. So all you have to do, just go to the Excel option. I'm gonna bring that to large. So this is really great. So guys, as you can see, you can this is looking really good. So we can also change the text. So to change the text, all you have to do, just double click on the animation title. To learn Adobe After Effects, make sure to learn about this layer. If you completely know about this layer, you will understand After Effects none other than ever. So guys, this is After Effects. It's really easy. All you have to use it. So I'm gonna double click on animation title. So here you can see, here is the main title. So there is four options, so one by one we are gonna change it. Like, so we are gonna double click on text one. So here you can see here is the option, so just click the text, and so I'm gonna write we create business. So I'm gonna change the text, so I'm gonna put a simple text. I'm gonna make it okay. I'm gonna need a simple text like this one, survey. So we are done here, so just go back. So and here you can see I have just changed the first text, so just do the same thing for the second text. Just go back and see I have just changes the text, and just go back the main. So guys, I have just changes the text, so you can also change the text like that. It's very easy. So we are gonna go for the another title. So something like let's see title 5. So this is another title, and let's see title 6. This is really great. You can use this title to promote your video. So let's see title 7, and title 7 is pretty cool. So we are gonna add a background to it. So guys, like that, I'm gonna need another background, like not that, okay, like this one. I'm gonna drag it to here and just make the changes, just scale it. Okay, just go here, and you can drag the text wherever you want. So guys, as you can see, it's working really cool. So if you want, like, it's come and the background will be black. So how we can do that? So just go to the last layer of the video and just go to the transform, and here you can see a option opacity. So all you have to do is the text is coming, and okay, just click here. After, when the title will come, after when it gone, then the background will be black. So okay, from here to there, and it will go black. So how? Let's see. So guys, as you can see, we can also bring the title little more. So let's see now. So guys, background go black easily. So guys, this is really great. So you can also drag both and go to the keyframe and the use that is easy out. So guys, let's see now. You can also drag it here. So let's see. So the text come and the background goes to black. So guys, this is really great. You can create any type of logo intro with this. So now we're gonna change the text. So just go to the text, and here you can two option. text 1 and here is the text 2. So at first we're going to go to the text 1 and just change it to something like 50% of cell. So I'm gonna make it large and I'm gonna hit a bone like this one, 50% of cell. So let's see how it's looking. So guys, as you can see, and it's not looking so good, so I'm gonna change a different like this one, and I'm gonna scale it way little more. So let's see how it's looking. So guys, it's looking quite good. Now we're gonna change the second text. So let's go here and change it. This cell in August. So again, just change the text. Like best sell in August. So let's see how it's looking, and it's not looking so good. So I'm gonna change it. Okay, I'm gonna need a simple text. Okay, best sell in August. So let's see how it's looking, and now we're gonna okay, I'm gonna need this little bit down, so just click okay, okay, not that, okay, like okay, this one is good. So guys, as you can see, I have just changes the text, and let's see the main. So as you can see, you can change the text easily with Adobe After Effects, and the background will go just like that. So guys, you can create your unlimited of title animation intro like this one. If we go to the others titles, as you can see, you can get awesome titles from here. If we can go to the 11, so this one is really great. We can also add a background to that, so something like this one. So and just scale it, just scale it like that, and this one will and if you want, so just hit the opacity of the background like 70%, so you can see it's looking really professional. Okay, so guys, like that you can create unlimited of intros, outros with Adobe After Effects. Thank you so much for watching this video.